It's really interesting that all the interactions that happen in this world, right? Because in the traditional model where humans are looking at everything, it's just such a different interaction pattern. So I guess one of the questions floating in my head is how has things like detection changed with the advent of agents on the other side versus humans?
Well, probably first of moving away from more of like this is MITRE coverage. This we have 90% of our detections mapped to MITRE, may or may not typically be mapped to different or the right areas of your organization, depending on what your or where your crown jewels are at. I think for us, sort of where I see it shifting is more of the real time. Am I vulnerable? So if we talk about maybe using the CAG model versus the RAG model, we'll say we're doing a threat hunt and we do get a hit. So are there any IOCs present, right? Using NLP to our agent, the agent deconstructs that, and the CAG model runs out through our environment and says, yes, there is an IOC. I think where I see the shift is traditionally, instead of having to go maybe pivot into another platform, writing a detection rule, in our case, a Sigma rule, right? Pushing that then through our CI/CD pipelines. Ultimately, now it's a codified detection to actually more of like a real time, maybe even call it like a query of, okay, we have the results. Now I want to go write a detection rule for that using NLP. It does all the rest on our behalf. Not there yet, but that's kind of where I see us going very quickly.